Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, I didn't get any time to see right till now, but I'll check and then revert you. Okay. The project that you shared.
Uh, Ma'am, before start the session, I just
Just a minute. I am connecting my headphones. Hello.
hello.
Yes, Kaushik. Yes, you can see.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, ma'am, before starting the session, actually, I just want to know regarding our that GeoAI part.
Hmm.
So, yeah, in that part, actually, do we create our own model using some DL? I mean, it is some deep learning model we will be creating by our own, or it is like there will be some model will be there like in the ArcGIS-Pro or ArcGIS Online, ArcGIS-Pro. Those model will be used.
So we will be using the pre-existing models only, and then we will be seeing how we can train those models, and then how can we create and make our use specific use cases. And regarding how can we make our own models also, actually we are still in the process of finalizing what to include and what not to include in that time span. So I'll be able to tell you more clearly what all we are including in in next 2 weeks. Uh, okay. So right now also we are also working on the concepts and the what all topics and how much we can cover on that. So maybe by 2 week or by 10th April, I'll be able to tell you more on that. Okay.
Okay. Actually, the main thing is basically I am joining these courses mainly basically to learn I mean this track four thing and then post CS and then GeoAI
Yeah,
because
I
like
understand
yeah
the
because like
models and
I'm
everything. We are more
because
focused on that.
yeah like because I am working in this field from last 4.5 years.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I
So
am
I
more
guess
like
so that will be more helpful also. That thing. So we are
yes ma'am.
actually trying to include like all the latest things only, so that it will be very useful for the current job market also. So that is why I'm not telling you the exact thing what we are all including in that, because it's still on the discussion and multiple people are working on that. We have experts also who have worked on the industries for like more than 10 years, who are working on the curriculum, like on the sessions, topics, courses, and like the hands-on exercises, what all we should put so that they can get more out of it in the time span that we have. So that's why I'm not strict telling anything right now. That once I have more clarity, then I'll be able to convey more. But that is for sure that we'll be including only the latest technology and latest things which will be directly useful in the job and in your interviews and everything. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So today we are starting with our next track, which is WebGIS and cloud platform. So just So till now we have covered everything related to the basics of GIS, GIS fundamentals, how to work with data, different GIS datasets like raster data, vector data, or if they are in an Excel format, any kind of a special data, we have learned how to make insights, generate insights, either through desktop software or through a coding language, which was specifically Python that we used. And we took two sessions on Google Earth Engine as well, how to utilize that for the data that was available in the Google infrastructure that they provide. So, but now the thing is, obviously, we get stuck when we create insight, but we don't know how to present it, or we want to create some interactive dashboards or an interactive web application. So there comes the use of WebGS and cloud platforms. And seeing the current scenario now, everybody is moving into the cloud platforms and WebGS kind of platforms only to do GIS analysis itself, because I'm not saying that it's completely scraped that people are not using QGIS or RGS type of desktop-based software, but when it comes to scaling and when it comes to presenting or creating more user-friendly applications, their cloud platforms are more versatile and it's more scalable in terms of GIS data as well, because holding, storing, and managing that data is also a task which only cloud can perform. So before moving on to the topic, actually, there are a few prerequisites that I want you all to start working upon, because uh, since this whole curriculum was more focused towards GIS data analysis and the programming which was related to uh, insight generation and data analysis, so that's why our focus will only be in teaching the Python. But when it comes to WebGIS, comes a core language which comes into a picture, which is a JavaScript language, which we are not specifically covering in this session because that was not the core part. Our focus will be only on GIS. So in this whole WebGIS, we will be covering how to integrate different geospatial libraries, how you can utilize that, all the open source libraries we will be covering, like Mapbox and MapLibrary and Leaflet, how you can integrate them into your codes so that you can utilize the functionality that comes with those libraries for creating and for integrating the functionalities which will help you make interactive GIS platform. Because there are certain functionalities, like let's suppose if you want to do a near me, if you want to do a buffer, if you want to create any specific widget creation which is related to special interaction, then map libraries and leaflet libraries, which will help you do all those things in a base map. But how to write the JS code, that is not the part of this curriculum. So there comes your uh, readiness, that you need to start working upon learning the JavaScript, HTML, and CSS so that you are able to write these codes. So basic web knowledge is necessary. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, though while we will be doing the hands-on exercise, I will show you how to write and how to link, how to create files and everything. But obviously, when it comes to a detailed understanding of JavaScript, that's up to you. If you're interested in creating a web application, you should learn it by yourself. HTML will help you create a wireframe of your web application. Wireframe, simply, let's suppose where you want to have a header, where you want to have a panel, where you want a cards, all those things. Then CSS will help you add styling, beautification, colors, and all those images if you want to put it somewhere. Then comes the JavaScript, which is very, very important, because JavaScript will only help you add interactions to your wireframe. Let's suppose you have a basic structure, you have a basic UI with yourself, and then we will be integrating the leaflet, which is the very popular JavaScript library, which will help you add geospatial, which will help you handle geospatial data for that matter, and help you add base maps and lets you interact. So we'll be integrating JavaScript library, and for that you have to learn how to make variables, how to write functions, what are objects, arrays. Few concepts are similar to the concepts of Python, but the how you have to write the code, how you have to structure it, that is completely and entirely different in JavaScript. Then, what are APIs and how to fetch and how to integrate with the JavaScript codes? That I will cover a little bit. That what are APIs, so that uh, you get a hands-on within the exercises only. Then, GIS fundamental part, we have already covered everything in detail in this, so nothing is left in this. You can go back to the previous sessions, previous tracks, and you will get everything that is needed for that. Just JavaScript part you need to work upon. Python and Google Earth Engine also we have covered extensively. So that is also covered in every tracks that we covered. Next, there are a few setups that we need for creating a web application. QGIS, we have already installed and done so many exercises in QGIS. So you all know how to link it to the Postgres, how to generate insights, how to publish the data that you have generated or the maps that you have generated as an output or the layer that you got as an output into the PostgreSQL or PostGIS. So the next thing which came into picture is a GeoServer. Now we will be installing the GeoServer so that uh, let's suppose we'll be talking in the context of flood only because we will be doing that flood exercise. So let's suppose you have generated the final outputs, 3, 4 layers, which you want to showcase in your web application. You want to filter between, you want to have a drop down where you want to put high, medium, and low. And as you choose high, low, and medium, the data is filtered on the map itself. So you have generated the insight using QGIS, so that is done. Then after the layers is generated, you publish them in the PostgreSQL and PostGIS using that. That is also done. That setup is already with you. Then there need to be a bridge between how the data is hosted, is present in your PostGIS and how you link it to your web application. There comes a picture, which is a GeoServer. Server can be of multiple types. There are multiple servers which are proprietary, which people need to pay. But GeoServer is an open source server, which most of the people use for learning. So we are also using GeoServer for hosting our data, for creating feature services, for creating such kind of a services so that you can consume it in your end web applications. So before moving into that, we'll do the setup first. So I want you to do the setup along with me so that everybody is on the same page. Um, for installing the GeoServer, you need to have Java installed in your system. So if you have already Java present in your system, please check the version of your Java by opening your terminals and let me know what versions you have. If you don't know the command is this Java/version. You can open the command prompt like this in your systems and then type Java. Let me know what versions you have. We need to make sure that our version is less than 17, like 11, 17. Those versions are stable and compatible with GeoServer. So as you can see that I have version 11. I wanted to check it in yours. Let me know. I'll be. And people who don't have, please open this link that I shared in your system. And when you'll go there, you will have an option. If you will get this page, scroll down, you'll get options to choose from here. You need to choose either you can choose 11 or 17. For now, we are choosing 17. Operating system, mine is Windows. You can choose according to yours. Here, only 64-bit is available. That should be compatible to yours. Okay. And now when it comes to Java package, we will be choosing JDK from here. And then from here, we need to install .msi from here. Please download .msi from here and put this on download. Okay, so anybody have Java before, or everybody's downloading?
Which one I have to download? Version? Which version?
This anything you can download. You can download the first one only. But it should be .msi, not .zip. Download the .msi. What about others? Are you downloading?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm downloading. The time you are downloading this Java, in this server as well, and click on this GeoServer 2.28.3, the stable version, and put this also in download. From here, you'll be redirected to this page. And in this page, you'll get the first option, platform independent binary. And you can click on this, and then the download will happen automatically. You need to wait for a bit, and it will be downloaded. Do not unzip this. Just download both of the things. We will be unzipping GeoServer once the Java is installed and present in our system. So once this is done, anybody
Can,
can
can you please
share.
tell me the user version and where to go?
Uh, Sorry, can you repeat?
Where to go in GeoServer? It's stable version GeoServer 2.28.3
To it. Yes,
and and then the
yes. Just click on that. Just
okay,
click on that. You'll be directed to this page, and
okay,
then click on the platform independent binary, and it will be the download will start.
okay.
Right. So if in somebody's system Java is installed, can you share your screen? Because in mine it is already done. So I'll not be able to show you.
For Java installation, is there I have to add any extension or like there is something JDK
It's
with hotspot and all?
just you just downloaded this, right?
I have already downloaded it. Then
Okay.
then
Can you
just
share
need
your screen?
yeah, sure.
And put this inside your C drive.
Yeah.
Or from there itself, you can click it, and the installation will start. Everybody can else can also follow the same. We need to first install the Java, and then we'll move to the GeoServer. Okay.
Uh,
Now click on next.
okay. Okay, now it's installing. After the installation, then we have to install the GeoServer.
No, wait for GeoServer.
Okay.
Is it done? I can't see this.
No, it's ongoing. Um, it's, it is, is it showing?
Yeah. So it is done. Okay, finish. Can you go to the location where you have installed it?
Um,
In the C drive? It might be in the program files.
okay.
The first one. There must
This
be, yes, there must be a folder called OpenLogics.
one, and it's, hmm,
This one. Okay, it's there. Now click on the search and click CMD, open the command prompt. And not there, in the bottom, the sides of the windows. Type Java space dash version. Dash, there should be a dash. So there you go. Space and version. Enter. Okay. So it is installed in yours. I hope till here everyone is reached. You have installed Java and it is coming. The version is here. If you're not able to speak, you can at least write on the chat box. Uh, Kaushik, Kushi, what about you? Are you here till?
no, it's installing.
Okay. So okay. By that time, you can copy this zip file. Uh, Supriti.
Oh, where?
Yeah, copy this zip file from your downloads. Go down, copy this and paste it in the C drive.
C drive in this folder, OpenLogic, or
Not in this folder, in the C drive normally. Yeah, here.
it's patient code this folder, space field.
Now extract this folder.
Yeah, on this folder.
Yeah, extract this.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Mm,
Option. Mhm.
Extract file. Yes.
Mm, it's done.
Open the bin folder and there will be a file called startup.bat. Okay.
Startup.
Wait here. So once everybody has installed the Java and you have checked the Java version that it is visible, let me know if it's not visible. We need to set up the environment variable. And just wait a minute, I'll share my screen. Then Sukriti, share your screen. Alright. So once you have installed the Java, as we have just seen, you need to go to the CM command prompt. You need to type Java dash version. And if the version is visible here, then it's fine. That means your Java is installed properly. In case there is some error while you are checking the version, you need to search the system variable. You need to search the environment variable. You will get something like this, edit the system environment variable. Open this. You will be prompted this screen where you'll have an option for environment variables. Open the environment variable, and in the bottom, you have an option of system variables here. In my case, there is already Java home present. You can search in yours. There should be a Java home variable present in the system variables. And in the value of Java home, it should direct to the path of your file. Since in my case, now my Java is in this location, as it was same in the Supertree case as well. You can check for yours what is the your location where you have put your folder. So you need to put the value in this like this, and it should be visible here. Once this is done, then you need to check another thing, which is a path. Just scroll down, you'll get something like this path from here. And in this path, I have linked, there can be multiple paths present, but you need to make sure that yes. In this path, you can see that there are multiple paths present, but you need to make sure that the path to your folder is also present here. In my case, the path to the folder bin is present. As you can see that in my C drive, where inside C program files, uh, since we are downloading the OpenLogix, so that's why it will be inside the folder called OpenLogic. And then there will be final Java folder. Inside this, there will be a bin folder. So till this folder, you need to take this path and make sure that it is present in this path. So the same path is already present here, then no need to edit. But in case sometimes it is not present and it creates issue while installing the Java. So you can add these paths as well by yourself by using the new from here. So for adding the path and for adding the Java underscore home, you can use new from here and add it accordingly in case it is not working in your case. But for now it is working, so then it's fine. Then for GeoServer, download it. After downloading, do not unzip it. First, copy your GeoServer to this particular folder in your C drive. And once you have that folder, unzip it in your C drive only. Once you unzip it, you can get a folder called GeoServer in your case. And then you'll have a folder called bin. Inside the bin, you'll get these four options for startup sh, shutdown, and like this. You can just click on the startup from here and double click on this, and it will start running. Let it run properly. And once this is done, let me know if you all have reached till here. Okay, so have you all reached till this point? we will do the setup for everybody only, then only I'll move forward. So once this GeoServer startup is done, then open this link in your browser, in your Chrome browsers. So Priti, is it
Um,
done in your case?
it's just stopped. I have already clicked on the startup and it is showing press any key. I have pressed one key and then it's just stopped.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. It is showing me to run and now I'm running.
Okay, can you open the environment variable from a search bar?
And it
On
just
the search bar, search environment variable. Yeah.
mm.
Can you see Java Home is present or not?
No, it's not added.
No, it's not. So click on the new.
Yeah.
Now write in the capital letter at Java underscore home. I have sent the path. You can copy the same and paste it. Yeah. So,
This is the
okay.
same, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's the same. Okay. Now again click on the new. Then we will also add the path. Check if the path is already present. First check.
Okay. Uh, that was not present. I have already checked, but I'm
See, the
looking.
path is there. Path is
Yeah,
there. Click on
now it
this.
is added. Yeah, now it's
Click
added.
on this. Edit. Okay. Now it is present. Okay. Now go back and now again click on that startup. So see, until unless you don't set your environment variables, you'll not be able to run the Geo server. So make
Okay.
sure that you're done with this process as well. Close this command from CMD first.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's just closed. I don't know why, but every time I'm doing it, it's just closed.
Can you check your Java version again?
Sorry?
Can you check the Java version again
Yeah.
from the command?
It's 17.0.18.
Just give me a minute. So Priti, can you go to the just close home, open write CD in this only, in this only.
In this, what I have
So
to write?
CD
CCTV.
space, and then write the path of the GeoServer file, the bin file inside the GeoServer. Copy the path from there and then paste it. Yes.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Mm. And enter.
Enter. Yeah. Okay. Now write startup.bat. Now open the link that I sent in the chat, localhost.8080 on the browser.
Okay.
What about others? Are you also facing the same, Kaushik? Okay. In your case, actually, the address is already in use 8080. That's why it is showing this issue. So
Okay.
type NET, type NET,
Sorry.
type NET in the CMD only.
NED.
NET start. Just a minute, I'll type in the chat.
And then hello.
Dash NO, dash NO,
Your
ANO.
voice is breaking.
Just a minute, I'm typing in the chat. Give me a minute. Yeah. Copy the command, then paste, run it. Rishi, what about you? Are you able to install and reach till here?
No, ma'am. I just restarted my system. Now I'm doing this process.
Okay, sure. Okay, so in your case, it is you are using this 8080 somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
You need to kill that process. Just a minute.
Then just give me 2 minutes. I'm just coming back into it.
Sure.
Till then, can I share my screen?
Oh, yes. Okay. These last command is not for everybody. That I am just specific to security because this is to kill the task in case your port is used somewhere. Okay. So, have you
Uh,
installed the Java? Can we please
yes,
check
ma'am.
the Java um, CMD? Okay, done. Double click on that startup file. This one.
Mm.
Okay, click on OK. Okay, so once this is done, Kushi, copy the link of localhost 8080 geo server and open it on your browser.
I have left the session, rejoin again. Can you share that again?
Okay, next. Yes, I've sent it again.
Hmm.
Okay, so that means the geo server is properly installed in your case. It is ready to use, and now we'll use it whenever we'll start the geo server session. Okay, so I hope
Oh,
everybody should be able to reach till this stage by the end of today's session. And if anybody is facing any issues, you can like let me know right now. Otherwise, because I don't want anybody to be stuck in the installation phase when we are starting the session. So Kirti, now you can share your screen.
Is it sharing? Because in my end it's showing your
Oh,
sharing screen.
okay. Now I have shared a command task kill PID, and I have mentioned your PID also. Copy that command and enter.
Uh, this process not found.
Okay. Put a space between the F and the slash. Between before the adjustment. Um, After 5688, yes. Now enter. I guess you're using this port somewhere where it cannot be killed. We will change the port. Just a minute. Can you go back to the folder? So in case if in somebody's system your port is occupied 8080 somewhere and you cannot kill that task, then go to the start. Find start. There will be a file called start at the bottom.
This one.
This configuration setting, and open this file in some editor mode, either in Visual Studio or Notepad. Yeah. Search for port. Port is equals to 8080 in this file. Port is equals to 8080.
This one.
Not this one. 8080 equals to 8080.
Mm.
Yeah. So now change it to 9090 for now, or anything 8081. 9090 is fine. Okay. Now save this and close.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on that startup again from the bin folder. Now copy that localhost link. And now in your case, since your port is 9090, so replace that 8080 with 9090 and open it in the browser.
Mm.
Can you expand your screen a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. So now once you all have reached till here, so the by default ID and password for GeoServer will be admin and GeoServer. Can you write the username as admin in the small letters and the password as GeoServer in the small letters?
Okay.
Now click on the login. Okay. So now you have logged in here. Then you can edit this password and from this.
Okay.
In my case, it's getting stuck actually.
Okay, you can share the screen. So it's working in Sukriti case and Khushi's case. You can share your screen, Khushi. Okay. Can you check your Java version first?
In my case.
No, Sukriti, yours is done.
Okay.
Actually, I have downloaded, I checked, I downloaded the 11 one.
You downloaded 11 version? Okay, that's also fine. No issues. Okay, let's check the environment variable from the search bar. Yes, the first one. In the system variable, there should be Java home and there should be in the path, and the correct path should be there. Find Java home.
Path is there.
Okay, Java home. Yeah, path is there. Okay.
Java Home actually, just now I have added.
No, it should be in system variables, not in user variables.
So we can write like this one, or we have
Yeah,
to give one.
Java underscore home. There should be, it's recommended not have space anywhere in your variables. No, in Java Home, you can skip the bin part. Just keep it till the JDK part, hotspot.
So this one,
In the Java Home, you can skip the slash bin. Yes, that's it. Okay. Okay, now let's go to GeoServer. GeoServer folder and startup. Yes, double click.
so after this it is getting stuck. Last time also it happened.
Let's wait for that. Can you scroll up a little bit at the top? Yes. What are we getting? Scroll down. I think you are on mute, Kaushik, if you're speaking.
No, I'm not speaking it.
Okay, okay. So what is happening? Can you scroll down? Okay, it's still running. By that time, you
Getting
can
stuck
copy.
here and
Okay. Can you copy the link localhost and paste it on the browser? Let's see what's going
My case, it is also failed. Uh,
So, Prithvi, in your case, it was running, right?
it was running, but now I am checking that it was failed. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. See here.
is it possible to share one again that
Okay, yes. Have you closed your CMD,
No,
Supriti?
no, 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 no.
This is the same, right? Can you open your browser once?
Mm.
Uh, I can't see your screen.
Ma'am,
It's
should I
just
download the 17th version?
try with that, but I guess Supriti also facing the same issue. We'll check. By that time, you can try downloading 17.
Ma'am, before downloading the 17, I have to install this 11.
Yes, yes. Make sure that you uninstall it first.
Okay.
What about other Khushi? In your case, it's working fine, right? Till now? Can you refresh your browser and check?
Yeah. Yes, it's working.
Okay, what version of Java you installed? The first one only?
17, yeah. Yes, I'm 17 first one.
Supriti, it's working right in your browser?
Yes, yes. But the thing is that it was showing me that there's an exception case. That was
Okay, there might be some issue. Kaushik, try with 17. Maybe there was some issue with 11, and if it again come, then we'll check. Otherwise, follow the same process. Uh, Jawad, I hope in your case you have downloaded and you are able to install everything properly. Okay, we'll be keeping this till here only, and we'll continue with the session and the topics by tomorrow. Everybody
okay.
else can leave, and uh,
But
if
it
any,
is working right, or like
yeah, it's working right. Yeah, if it's working in your browser, that means it's working.
oh,
Actually,
all. So I can close the CMD right now.
yeah.
Okay, thanks.
And next time, whenever you want to run it, you just need to click on the startup and then it will be working. And also, while you are closing the Geo server, by closing it from the browser doesn't mean that if we are, let's suppose we are doing any kind of a process, it will not be stopped just by closing it from the browser. You need to shut it down from the folder. Can you navigate to the folder once where the startup was?
On this folder?
Yes. So you have a file called shutdown, the first file. So if you have to
Mm-hmm.
close it, you need to shut down it from here. So make sure that you are doing it. Or if you're closing the CMD also, it works, but make sure that you are doing the shutdown from here. Click on this. Double click on this, and then that means your Geo server is stopped. And the next time when you want to work on it, you need to click on the startup again and just open it on the browser like we just did using localhost. Okay. Okay, so you guys can leave. And Kaushik, do you want me to stay for your installation or you'll try and if there is any error, you'll let me know.
Okay, I'll try, ma'am. If I'm getting any issue, I'll
Ah,
post.
yeah, yes, you can text me. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye bye, everybody. Good night. And I hope installation is done. And make sure that once we are doing the hands-on, everybody's ready with these installation because this whole track is more about the hands-on, less about the theory. There will be hardly any PPTs. We'll be doing this together. So be ready with all the GIS layers, point, line, polygon, or any raster data so that while we are doing the session, you will be publishing your data as well along with me. Because the thing is, in this, sometimes it might work in my Geo server and it breaks in your case. So I want to do these sessions together. So make sure this is done. Okay. Good night, everybody. Bye bye. Good night.